The video is about removing the browser hijacker called searchwebhelp.com. Searchwebhelp.com is indeed a browser hijacker that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. Searchwebhelp.com hijacks a lot of crucial browser settings, but in particular it changes the default search engine. Whenever you submit any search queries, of course you intend to get some relevant search results, but instead of search results you get some strange sponsored links, and obviously that's very annoying. So you should remove this searchwebhelp.com hijacker from your browser. Access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here, disable and remove them. I also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start examining your computer in order to detect and eliminate other threats. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.